let's do an unboxing video. It's always a good time for an unboxing. Made in China, baby. It's like 90% of everything else in America. Made in China. So what did I get? This is an Orinar weight bench. Need to work on those arms, baby. Let's see here. Let's see if we can put this puppy together so we can get ripped. All right, let me read these instructions, figure out how to put this together so you don't have to. All right, according to the instructions, we have to connect B or F1, it's kind of confusing, to the bottom of the bench with a bolt. All right, so this is the bench, and we unfold it, and then I think we're going to connect it right here. All right, let me get the bolt. Where's the bolt at? Here's the piece. Those are pads. Aha, parts. Right here, baby. Oh, it comes in a nice bag. Cool. I just closed it. Oh, I just opened it. All right. Bolts. Bag of bolts. All right. There we go. So we're going to use E1, which is a bolt. Oh, there's only one of them. So it's got to be this one. Kind of rounded head on it. Yes. Just like this. Looks like there's two different size bolts. Okay. Right there. And it looks like we're going to probably use this one because there's only one of these. So we'll put that in there. And it does come with a wrench, an Allen wrench, and a metric wrench. So this is the 17. So just tighten this up. Let me get a socket. It's gonna take forever. If you don't have a wrench, you could use the one that is provided. Since I have a ratchet, I'm gonna go ahead and use that. Tighten this up. Okay, I heard the metal cracking. Loosen it back up a little bit. Don't over tighten it. Next, we're gonna put the legs. The legs are gonna be two different sets of legs. But they're both the same. All right. So the legs are gonna go one on each end, right here, right here. Doesn't matter which way it goes. It can only go in this way, in the bottom. And then it goes like this. Then you put your bolts on top. Okay, other square bolt. Goes in like that, locks in place. Put your nut on top. All right. We'll do the same on the other side. Same thing on the other end. Take two of these, take two of those. So it's easier if you put the screws through the hole first and then put it through here. We'll put it down on the ground. Then you put your bolts here. One hand, push the bolt through so it stays out. And then with the other hand, turn it. You just gotta tighten that up. So these are going to be 14 millimeters. Let's tighten these down so they're snug. Okay, go. And I think we're almost done here. Only a couple steps left. Take this off. And we're going to put the pads on next. Oh, actually, this stick right here is going to go right here. Slide it through this hole. And then the pads are going to go here and here. So slide your pads on. That. Put your other muffin on here, like so. Slide your other one on down here. And then same thing here. Boom. Gotta keep it from sliding. And that's it, I think. There we go. We're done. You can actually adjust these. So you can adjust these. If your floor is uneven, you just turn it. And it gets thicker and thinner as you go around. So, like you see this crack right here? It's lower on this side than it is on this side. So you can turn this to where it's flat and it doesn't tip. Same thing with all four corners. Then you can adjust the height of this. So if you want to do straight up and down, there you go. If you want to do upper chest, just lower this down. There, it's flat. If you want to do upper chest, which means your decline, so you're going to hit your upper pecs when you're declined like that. All right, so it's actually Orinar. Orinar. I thought it was Orinar. There's actually an I in there. So there's your Orinar workout bench right there, baby. Boom. Put a link. This is not sponsored. I paid for this myself. I think I paid $50 for it off of good old eBay, baby, because I don't support Amazon. So if you want to get one of these and get ripped, check it out. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, baby. Let's go. Boom. God. You can do these too. You can do these. You can do all kinds of stuff. All right, thanks for watching. Peace. San Diego be dub life, baby. That dude. Sunny San Diego. Woohoo!